The Indian stock market experienced significant volatility on Monday, with the benchmark Sensex plunging nearly 1,000 points from its intraday high amid a broad-based sell-off. The Sensex opened at 81,926, up from the previous close of 81,688, and initially climbed nearly 450 points to reach a peak of 82,137. However, the index subsequently erased all its gains, dropping 1,028 points from this high to touch a low of 81,139. By around 12:50 p.m., the Sensex was trading 543 points lower at 81,145. The Nifty 50 also faced turbulence, opening at 25,084 against its previous close of 25,014. It recorded an intraday high of 25,143 before plummeting to a low of 24,798. The Volatility Index India VIX surged over 6% during the trading session, reflecting the heightened market uncertainty. Here are the top 5 reasons behind Monday market fall. First, increase in FII selling. Recent data from the National Securities Depository Limited reveals that foreign portfolio investors have offloaded Indian equities worth Rs 30,719 crore during the first 4 trading sessions of October. This significant capital flight appears to be a shifting towards China, following the country's recent economic support measure and favorable market condition. Analysts point out that the attractive valuation in the Chinese market stand in stark contrast to the premium valuation currently observed in the Indian market. The shift in investor sentiment has led to impressive gains in Chinese indices. Over the past week, the Shanghai Composite Index has surged 21%, while the Hang Seng Index has experienced a remarkable increase over 15%. VK Vijay Kumar, Chief Investment Strategist at Geojit Financial Service, commented the massive FPI selling is the primary factor behind the market fall. FPI have sold more than 40,000 crore in just 4 days. The Hang Seng Index is up by 32% in 1 month. Big money is moving from India to China. This is abnormal. Market tend to overreact. This is a sell India and buy China trend. How long it will last remains to be seen. Second, SEBI guidelines add pressures. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has announced new regulation designed to tighten rule for equity derivatives trading, a move that is expected to raise entry barrier for investor and increase trading cost. Key changes include a reduction in the number of weekly option contracts to 1 per exchange and a nearly threefold increase in the minimum trading amount. These measures aim to enhance market stability and investor protection in the derivatives segment. Third, BCA Research downgraded India rating to underperform from neutral. In its latest report, BCA Research has expressed a pessimistic outlook for Indian stock prices, predicting a meaningful decline over the next 6 to 9 months. The report indicates that Indian equities are expected to underperform the emerging market benchmark, leading to a downgrade of the Indian stock market from a neutral to an underweight position in EM and emerging Asian equity portfolio.